How to enable or disable flash while unlocked for LED flash and alerts on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Audio and Visual. Then we scroll down to the bottom. In the visual section, tap on LED flash for alerts. And then tap on the flash while unlocked. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. If you turn this on when your phone is unlocked, it will flash it, otherwise it won't. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.